Right, hello everybody. Oh dear, boiling today. My shed's nearly empty, which is really good news. Just got to put that other door card together. I'm not going to use that centre box. I'm going to make a padded stool type thing with a seat belt for Doggy to sit on, for Kaya, because she's used to sitting in between us, in the middle of us, in the van, because it's a front seat, and in the truck. So the roof spoiler's got to go on. That's ready. But apart from that, I've still got to straighten out. Got to put mirrors on and stuff, but still got to straighten out. Some of these are a bit dented, and the ends where they fit on the clips, they're a bit mangled. They were a bit abusive when they took the damn things off. So I did try to clean these up. 3 of them cleaned up all right, but one of the front ones is badly, the stuff's gone, so I'm not going to worry about it. Most of that in there is now scrap. Oh, there's a couple of gearbox mounts. I think they must have bought them thinking they were engine mounts, and they're not, they're gearbox mounts. So I sprayed these are the speaker grills my friend 3D printed for me, and they came out all right. He had to do them in 2 halves, but they've come out all right, pretty good. So I just sprayed them up with the brown. But overall, I've got the my operation date for my wrist, which is next Monday. So I wanted to get as much done as I possibly could before I had to go in, and I'll be buggered I can't do anything then. So I've got to order a sheet of aluminium for this back piece, and I've got to put some bungs on those holes. I should have really filled them in. Now I know why they were filled in, because those holes for that plate internal, that plate holds those, which is part of the tyre mount, the spare wheel mount, which holes in there, and so on. But of course I haven't got one of them. So anyway, all the interior's in. I can't remember whether there's a bit that goes in the middle there somewhere, but anyway, most of it's done and in. Doggy's come to lie in the... You're a bit warm, mate, eh? But everything works. This tailgate is so massive, it's unbelievable. Come on. Oh, there we go. Massive tailgate. So heavy. But there you go. Anyway, works. Glass works from the switch and from here. All the windows are in. Obviously the roof's on. Just got, like I said, just got to put the door panels on. Seats are in. I've got a couple of little bits to finish on the dash, which is why it's still open. Just waiting for a couple of parts. And like I say, the roof spoiler's got to go in on, and this window surround's got to go on. So, but engine's running. I wouldn't say it's running perfect, but it might be, I don't know, who knows. Got the I ordered by mistake, well, my fault for not paying attention, I ordered the wrong alternator. I ordered the one without the internal voltage rectifier and everything in it, same as on my other truck. I should have ordered the one with the internal stuff, but anyway, I'd got a spare external regulator rectifier, so I've just rewired it and done it that way. It works okay. So, but new grill and everything's on, all the bumpers on. It's to all intents and purposes finished. The I've got gears, bled the brakes. Like I say, there's not a fantastic mount left now, so I'll ask my mate when he comes by to give me a hand with the bonnet. Once the bonnet's on, I'll get it out and we can take this down, because we won't need it then. I'll get it down before my operation, because literally won't be able to do anything strenuous or anything for a couple of months. That'll be a bit of a bugger really, but there you go. Like I say, I wanted to get as much done as I possibly could before my operation. So anyway, there we go. To all intents and purposes finished. but I'll give you another quick walk around when it's finished completely. It wants I've got dusty roof, terrible now, so it wants a wash. But there you go. Cheers for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.